Guys, you are watching Moji's Classroom. So today we discuss about the properties of the universal gate. So to continue with the digital electronics lecture. So if we XOR, so if we know that the A XOR with B gives us as a result A bar B plus A B bar. So this is the basic input output formula of the XOR gate. So if we XOR A with 0, so we get as a output as A. If we XOR with 1, we get as output as A bar. If we know from the truth table that XOR gate is a inequality detector, means we get that whenever odd number of 1 is present or unequal is present, the output is 1, otherwise output is 0. So this is a inequality detector. So this is for same, so we get output as 0, and this is for unequal, so we get output as 1. So this is the basic properties of the XOR gate. We can, if we can memorize this will be savings the much more time in the gate examination also. So if we consider that as A XOR B, and we get output as C. So for this, if we interchange any of the input and output, if it is possible, then we get the same as a output, means C XOR with B gives us output as A. Or if we interchange B and C, also we get same, means A XOR with C will give us output as B. So this is the very much important properties of the XOR gate. So output is, for this properties, output is changed with any of the input of the XOR gate. So this is the basic property. Also, if we know that A XOR B is equal to, means we can say that A XOR B is equal to Y or output if this is input. If we complement any of the input, means A XOR B, if we complement A, then we can change it as A XOR B whole complement, or this will be as noted as A XOR B. So this is also same as A XOR B the whole complement. Also this will be treated as A XOR B. If we complement both the input, A complement XOR with B complement, so this will be treated as A XOR B whole complement. This will be same as A XOR B. So this is the basic properties of the XOR gate. So this is the, if we complement one of the input, if we complement any one input, then it change to XOR gate. If both is complement, then it is XOR gate is present. So today we discuss about the some properties of the XOR gate. So later we are discussing about the properties of the XOR gate. Thanks for watching. If you need this type of content, please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Bye.